Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare Aamras and Puri recipe. So the ingredients required to prepare this recipe are, here I have taken 3 mangoes and I have cut them into small pieces. I'll be using 3 tablespoons of sugar, ice cubes and little bit of dried nuts for the Aamras. And let's move on to the Puri. I have taken 200 grams of atta, that is the wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of semolina, that is suji, salt as per our taste, oil for frying the puris. So the first step that we are going to do right now, we are going to make the Aamras. To prepare the Aamras, I have taken a blending jar and I will put this chopped mangoes in this. Now friends, when I have used the mangoes, I had seeds also. So you'll take the seeds and you will just squeeze it like this. So here the seeds, I have squeezed it into this blending jar. I will add the sugar. Friends, the amount of the sugar can be adjusted according to the sweetness of the mangoes. Ice cubes. And now I am going to blend this into a thick smooth paste. I have blended the mangoes and here it is. So I am going to pour it in this. And now friends, I'm going to keep this in the fridge so that it becomes nice and cool. Now let's move on to prepare the puris. So here I have taken atta, as I have said earlier. I will add the suji, semolina. This will give a nice and crispy taste. I will add salt as per our taste. That's enough. And now I'm going to knead this with a little lukewarm water. Friends, here is our dough for the puri is ready. We will just cover this and let it rest for near about 15 minutes. Now friends, after 15 minutes, we will again just gently knead it and then we'll cut them into small balls. Cut them into small portions and make small balls. So here friends, the dough balls are made. Now I'm going to apply oil. Slightly apply oil so that it's easier for us to roll out these doughs. Now we will roll out these doughs into small puris. So friends, here I have rolled out all the puris. Now I'm going to fry them. So let's heat oil for frying. So now friends, here the oil is heated. Let's add the puris. The thickness of the puris, friends, it will be little thick than the normal puris that we make. Make sure the oil is heated properly. Let's put the another puri. This puri is also ready. So I'm going to fry all the puris, friends. So friends, here is our amras and puris ready. So now let's plate it. So here I have plated the amras and the puris. Let's garnish the amras. Little bit of fresh mint leaves. And garnish it with chopped nuts. You can use your favorite nuts to garnish this. So here is our very yummy amras and puris ready. Isn't it super easy to prepare this delicious recipe? I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye.